welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. Today, we're gonna be playing more of this, universe-size. Oh my goodness, that's so trippy. Universe-size comparison game. Let's see. Let's get out of this black hole. My goodness, sheesh. I'm gonna go inside the black hole because just have to. Oh my goodness. I wonder what is at the end of this game. Literally inside the black hole. Why is it so trippy? Is this the next thing? Or is this the, heck? Is this the next thing? Some stars bigger than Sagittarius A. This black hole's bigger than... Wait, no, it's even more impressive. Is this black hole is bigger than our sun? Okay, so this is the next thing. Okay, so I'm gonna go this way because, next thing. What's this? Because I don't remember all of these. I had to record the video twice, the last video twice, because, well, no, the first file corrupted. But yeah, what is next? It won't even tell me, like... Oh, there it is. Oh. Arcturus. Arcturus! There we go. This will take forever. I actually did see a little bit past this, but not that much. It was all the way to, like... Sorry. A random star. A random star. This is R136 yeah. Brightest star and luminous star ever discovered. What? Whoa, that's... it does make sense. It is white. I've never seen an orange star, though. So yeah, I'm just walking here, walking down the lobby of the museum. Oh, if you click both buttons down, it goes a lot. Yeah. So what is this? Is this like an only orange star or something? It probably is red, but it probably just like says Aldebaran. Is the same size? Is the same? It probably the same size to Mars's orbit. What? That's not that big. That's not that big. Okay, this is where I stopped last time. It was with the first recording. This is a pink star. It was called like something Scooty. It was or something. It was. Oh no! It was Ella Canis Majoris, and Canis Majoris is one of the biggest stars in the known sky, in the known universe. The known sky, yeah. Probably not even visible to a naked eye in the sky. Hey, that rhymed. I guess I'm right on time with those rhymes. I gotta stop. But still. 22,000 degrees Kelvin? And yeah, that's just luminosity. I don't know. I can't remember. It's been like about a year since I've learned about or about half a year since I've learned about luminosity. So I don't remember stuff about luminosity. I do remember 22,000 Kelvin is like one of the hottest a star can be. So maybe it turned purple because, yeah, because it's warm. Also, I've never seen anything past Eta Canis Majoris. Everything else is new. Maybe I've seen stuff back like when I played about a year ago, probably, or like 6 months ago. It was yeah. What is this though? This is taking so long to fly to. Why is it taking so long to get to? I think this is the end almost. Like, I think there's only like 3 extra planets. Red giant sun phase. Oh, I get what this is talking about. When the sun goes supernova, I mean when the sun goes red giant, this is when it's, yeah, this is when it's gonna turn into like that fireball, or this is when it's gonna engulf Mercury, Venus, and kill everybody on Earth. Probably. No, Earth will already be cooked to a crisp because of the sun turning really hot. Yeah, I think we only have like 3 other stars after this next purple looking one. And that one looks like it's probably Stevenson 18 or UI Scuti, because those are the 2 biggest stars. There's a theoretical UI Scuti we know exists, but Stevenson 18 or whatever, we don't know it exists. We just theorize that it's bigger because we've seen it and it looked gigantic. Once I get to the biggest object, though, at least that I know of, I'm gonna go to the very, very, very top of it and then just see if I can. Unless it's a black hole. But now, if it's a black hole, I won't be able to get to the very top of it. But I think I see the end. Like, I don't know. I only see 3 other objects, and so what does this say though? Rigel. Stop, man. This guy has a bunch of typos. Okay, this is the hottest star, I think. Yep, 3rd hottest stop ever. Okay. What the hottest star? The 45,000. The highest I think the the diagram thing goes is about 50,000, so I don't know. What's next though? Cuz that was the 3rd hottest star. This one probably is like the 2nd. That one's probably the 1st, and that's probably the biggest star. Cuz the star to be hot, it has to be big. I mean, I will say stars can also be bright and hot. I mean, wait, what? No. Yeah, bright. Sorry, they can also be cold and dim, and bright and hot and bright. Wait, what? No. I don't know. Size, I don't know. Just like, but yeah, and then I'm gonna respawn and go back to, I'm gonna go to that Phobos island or whatever, cause that's yeah, something. Yeah, but I only see 2 other objects. Is there more after it, or is that the end? And I can already see the text. I think the last object, or second to last object. Or maybe not. Maybe it was just this object. We're almost there. Let's see. This is probably, I'm gonna take a wild guess. Polar. Hang on. Hang on, guys. I need to do something real quick. Okay, guys, I'm back. I just had to talk to my sister real quick. Okay. It does look like I'm getting closer. Class O. Deneb. Okay, I would never have guessed that because Deneb does not ring a bell. And also, I can see the little text right there, I think. That's a little text. Yeah, there's only one more thing. Where are the galaxies? Where's the black hole? Oh, I see why they didn't have What? Oh, the star literally Deneb. Okay, so I'm gonna go and keep going just to... What the heck? Up there's the rest. Okay, this is gonna take a while. Hang on. I'll see you when I get to the next star. Okay, guys, we are approaching the star. Approaching it fast, very fast. Actually, not that fast. Actually, we're almost there, but yeah, it's gonna take a minute or two. Or not a minute, but like yeah, we're just almost there. Yeah, it's right there. Yeah, and then we have one more star after that, and then that probably is going to be it. I have no clue, though. I'm just going to go in like crazy. Cupcake Kitty. Oh. What does this say? This is like a long text. Can already see the next text. But what does this say? Because I need to get closer. Oops. That noise. What does this say? Man, this is taking forever. Man, I wish there was something. Let's see how. What? No, this actually makes me a little mad. Pistol Star. Most luminous stars known in the Milky Way. Cluster. Okay, well, now I can definitely run this fast. Okay, so yeah, we'll be there soon. There are more stars. A lot more. Oh, there's a tiny text. Guys, I'm running the opposite direction. I need to see what this says. It, like, speeds up really fast. Does that say? No, please. Do you run into something? Okay. This may just be difficult just to control. Wait, is this how I stop? Just don't click anything. 1. No! Oh, that is how you stop. Very fast. Is the brightest star in the constellation Scorpius. Has the Bayer's destination of Scorpio. Okay, it has it. Okay, I don't care that much. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. 1. Wow. 2. 3, 4. Buckle some more. 5. Beetlejuice. Yeah, Beetlejuice. The second brightest in its constellation. Oh, wow. In its constellation. Not even the brightest. Wow. Disgraceful. There's only like 2 other stars I can see, but there's probably more. What the heck? No. Oh, VY Canis Majoris. It's pulsating kiloparsecs. Now there's only one more star I can see, but there's probably more behind it. Nope, but there's another one I see. Wasn't it Stevenson? Whatever. No, please run the opposite direction. I don't like it. It goes so fast. No, why am I... No, oh, I didn't even realize. The heck? Heck am I? What does this say? UI Scooty. Too dim. Too dim to visible with the naked eye. Okay, there's only one more I can see, but that's to mean that means they're getting gigantic and they're all red now. I think the last like other star was Rigel, or no, it's like Pollux. Pull. That is the last star. Or last thing, last object, and it's probably. It can take a wild guess which one it is. Stevenson 18. Did I just go through the star? Oh. Yeah, my computer is Okay, guys, so I don't know if I can get out, and I do not want to. Okay, well, one thing I do want to try, if I do have to respawn. Wait, no, I'm not respawning yet. Yeah, something I do want to see is if that is the end, and if that is, I want to see how fast it takes me to run across the entire. But it should be the end. It should be the end. So that's Stevenson. Scootinium. Okay, so let's see. What happens if I just continuously run this way? Is there just never an end? Well, that is the last thing. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go... Oh, I just fell off. But I'm going to go reset and just see how long it takes me to... Like, oh no. I need to do something real quick, though. So, Sorry, guys. I'm just doing something real quick. Okay. There we go. Okay. Yep, I just had to plug in my laptop. Now let's see how fast it takes me to just run a... Holy moly. That's fast. That is actually mildly irritating at how easy it was to just run to everything. Like, I'm already at the end, and it took me like 30 seconds. And another thing I want to see is what does the boombox do? Yeah, I need to see what the boombox does. If it's like a teleporter to each thing, I'm going to be madly annoyed, because this thing was just annoying to use. If the boombox isn't even annoying to use, then it just kind of... I'm just going to fall infinitely. Okay, I'm going to reset. No, I'm not. 3. What does this do? No, I don't want to play it. What? No. Okay, and another thing I want to see is what is this Phobos Island thing? Okay, yeah, I'm just going to walk normally. Oh. That... Yeah, Phobos shrinks because it's too close to Mars. What does this do? Is this a pulsar? Or a pulsar? Just kidding. So, these are just... Oh my goodness. What in the world? No. I think Buddy just left the Earth. No. What on earth happened? I've never been here. It just launched me 5 million miles in the air. Not even landing yet. No, yeah, I forgot. They don't like to land. At all. Ugh. I just want to see if I can land, like, on the actual island or something like that. Just as, like, a funny thing. I think that's a, you know. Am I even falling? There's a way to... I am falling, just very slowly. Anyway, guys, that's all on Super Epic Brother. See you next time. Also, thanks for 100 subscribers. Bye.